Hello students, welcome to this ethics class. Today we will be discussing 2020 question 10. So again, before watching this video, attempt this question on your own, then watch the video. This is the first part of the question. This is the second part. And this is the final question that you need to answer. Again, we need to identify the ethical issues that are involved. Now, ethical issues. There are many ethical issues here. First is manufacturing and sale of poor quality products, use of poor quality products by builders, then building more floors than permitted, then poor inspection. This shows that there is possible corruption by officials who are inspecting. Then there is overall loss of values in governance, and we can see that there is lot of materialism that is triumphing values. Then there is encroachment on green belt. Then permission to encroach on green belt is also an issue. Then colleagues putting pressure to go slow on inquiry is another issue. Builders using blackmail and intimidation. Overall nexus between officials and builders and corruption. And someone who may be ready to misuse POSH Act and may file wrong case is also an issue. So there are several issues like this. You can identify more issues and you can write if you find. And what are the options that are available to you? Even this we have to discuss. And there are always 4 universal options which we use everywhere. That is doing the right thing. That is going strong on investigation here. Then doing the wrong thing. That is going slow on investigation. Then we can resign. We can act on others' advice. And we can ask others and act strictly on their advice. And we may choose any other option. If you know any other option, you can write. Then we should also specify which option we will use and why. And we have already discussed resigning only means skipping responsibility and accountability. Acting on others' opinion means we lack conviction. Even if we have conviction, we lack courage of conviction and that we are not fit for our job. And going slow on investigation means many problems like violation of rule of law, breakdown of law and order. It means reward to intimidation. It means letting go of guilty and continuation and strengthening of this nexus. And corruption will be boosted. There will be poor work culture, and primarily there will be loss of lives. There will be loss of public property. There will be loss of both public and private property. Then there will be loss of values. Then there will be materialism everywhere. It will become the highest ideal, and there will be continuation of poor quality products, poor quality construction, and there will be encroachment. So there are many problems if we go slow on investigation. So that is why we would follow option of going strong on investigation. So when we check in how many words we get around 186 words. So well below 200 words. It is a good word limit. And again in ethics, it is the quality that matters and not the quantity. So you would have seen that in many questions, UPSC asks to find as many ethical issues as possible. And it also ask you to specify various options, and then which option would you select and why do you select that option is also required. So this is a general pattern in many questions in case studies. So you should be prepared for that in your exam. So that is all. These are the various ethical issues that are involved, and we generally use 4 universal options. And we select one option because we will eliminate other options. Some options we eliminate directly, resignation and acting on others' opinion. And we also specify why going slow on investigation or doing the wrong thing is bad. And that gives us justification to go for the right option. That's it. Thank you.